guys, and in this video we are going to build a Lego microwave. So let's start. First you need a 2x4 plate. Now we will take a 1x1 snot brick. A snot is studs not on top. That's just the term. Now we'll place them on either edge corner. And now we will take this 1x4 brick, place it right here. And now we will take this transparent piece and put it right in. This will make the microwave space. Now we will close it with a 2x4 plate. Now we will take this 2x4 tile, and if you want, you can stick a sticker, Lego sticker, as I have done, to make it like the brand name. We put it on top, and if you want, there are two ways you can put it on this stud or this timer. I like to put this timer. Put this away. And now you have your very own microwave. I'm back with hot chocolate. There we go. I got my hot chocolate ready. That's so